Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk through how to send a picture with text on Gmail using your Android device. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your Android device. Once you're in, look for the Compose button, which usually appears as a pencil icon. Tap on it to start a new email. Next, enter the recipient's email address, add a subject, and type any message you'd like to include in the body of your email. This is your chance to personalize the message and get your point across. Now let's attach your picture. Look for the paperclip icon, which you can typically find at the top or bottom of the screen. Tap on it, and then select Attach File from the menu options that pop up. You'll now need to navigate to your gallery. Browse through your images and choose the picture you want to send. Once you've selected the picture, it will be attached to your email. Now, head back to the text field and make sure your message is included. This is the perfect place to give a bit more context about the picture. Finally, when you're ready to send your email, tap the Send button, which usually looks like a paper airplane icon. And just like that, your email, including both text and a picture, is on its way. That's it for today. Now you know how to easily send a picture with text on Gmail. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.